What, according to you, is the population of illegal migrants in this country at this point of time? Give me just spitball, give me a rough figure, give me a ballpark estimate. The government has said about 2 to 2.5 crores, right? Who among you believes that government figures are true figures? Okay. Do you believe that the government would have actually underplayed it or overplayed it? Underplayed it. At least by 50%? Let me push it. At least by 100%? Possible? Right. And there is a decent chance that given that we have such an efficient machinery at place when it comes to government dispensations, we are world class, there is a decent chance that a lot of figures would have gone under the radar completely. They would have been completely unreported. Correct. Have you ever heard of an immigration task force in this country? Do you think it exists? No. So who takes up the responsibility of detecting illegal migrants? The beat constable with a lathi in his hand, right? Look at him. He has to look at gang rape, he has to look at murder, he has to look at thievery, he has to look at everything, including the sophisticated issue of illegal migration. I pity anyone who is a police officer in this country, genuinely speaking. We may abuse them, but it's not a hard task. They must have done something so horribly wrong in their previous lives that it is a perpetual sadesati for them when they become a policeman in this life. Okay. Now, going by that logic, if the figure of 2.5 crores is not something that is credible or reliable, would I be wrong in saying that the figure could be close to 5 crores? Okay. Can India do without 5 crore population? Wouldn't it be better off? Okay. What if that population has chosen to become a captive audience in the hands of vested political and religious interests? Would it not create further trouble? Okay. What is the size of Indian army? 1.3, 1.4 million. Pit that against 6 crores. Who is going to protect you? Let's take only 50% of that 6 crores is creating trouble. So that brings it to what? 3 crores? 3 crores versus 1.3 million. Where do you stand? Let's assume that out of this, no, it's actually only 1 crore. 1.3 million versus 1 crore. Where do you stand? Do you have enough police constables and policemen to protect you in your states and cities? Are they so efficient that they arrive at the spot with lightning speed, even to the extent that Bollywood portrays? The moment it's over, the sirens start blaring. That doesn't happen, right?